Hey guys, it's Hawk here and Marcos. Today what we're going to do is we haven't done anything yet for this, so we want to go through our truck build as far as what Marcos and I had put together. So we're going to give you a tutorial of everything. Just hang out here and check this out.
Hey guys, Marcos here with Water Brothers Pressure Washing again. I'm proud to tell you that we have our truck built. I know we talked about it about a year ago. We did our compact trailer built, which is sitting back there. It's a 5x8, and you wouldn't believe what we have on that trailer. You can watch that video, and we can actually do another video later. We've made some awesome improvements on that trailer, but that will be for another video. Right now it's a skid, so we made it pretty simple. We used two plastic pallets. Those are heavy-duty plastic pallets. I put them together. I bolted them together. Actually, they don't move. They're right at the edge of the tailgate here. Nothing moves here at all. I made a shelf with wood, obviously. We have electric hose reels. I'm going to show that to you guys. Those are Kings. They're 12s. We have about 200 feet of hose for pressure, 100 feet of hose for fitting the water tank, and 250 feet of FlexZilla half-inch for our 12-volt soft wash system. We also have a 4-gallon per minute transfer pump. When we do that, we use that to fill our other tanks for downstreaming in the trailer or SH tank in the trailer as well, and also water. I'm gonna wait till that motorcycle passes. Thank you. Anyway, so here we have a plant wash tank. It's the product here. It's called Splash. I believe it's from Eco Wash. This is what we use to wash all the plants after we have washed it, just to make sure we haven't killed the plant in over a decade, and we're gonna keep it that way. This is our SH batch mix tank. So, and what we have here is we have two 3-way ball valves, and they're both connected, and they're going to the downstream injector. When I flip this down, obviously I'm cutting all the flow coming from above. So the flow coming from above is from the water or SH batch mix. Basically what we do here, we have this flipped up. I open the top flow. We have this pointing down. Now my downstream injector is pulling through here and pulling SH batch mix. Now when I flip this down, now I'm ready to wash all the plants and make sure we're not killing any vegetation. After that, obviously we'll have to flush our downstream injector, which, by the way, Hawk, if you can show them, we use one of the check valves and it's working perfectly. We're actually getting about 12-to-1 ratio with that. It's a 1.8 out of a Predator built that we made. It's the Predator 459, as you can see here, with an Allison pump with a 6. It's rated at 6.3. We are actually getting we did the flow test, which we're going to do another video on there as well. We did a flow test, and we're getting about 7 gallons per minute out of this setup, which is phenomenal for that. And we are getting a mixture on a batch and SH through the downstream at 12-to-1. So we're actually able to wash stucco, and we did really well with this machine here. We washed 36 stucco units in 2 days, and this machine was a beast. I mean, we were able to downstream it, rinse it, and in a very, very timely manner, and that was great. But anyway, going back here to our build, with our soft wash system, I built a proportioner right here. obviously water, SH, and soap. So I have water, SH, and I have a soap tank as well. Going back here, this is our three-way ball valve that we use to transfer SH out of the SH tank. I can either put into my batch mix, I can use into the batch mix in our trailer, or we have another truck as well that we use as the supply tank, supply truck. That we get supplies, we get SH. We transfer SH back and forth from that tank to this one here as well. Depending on the job that we're doing, sometimes we need 2 trucks and we have enough SH to finish the job. Let's go back this way, Hawk. We have a, it's hard to see, but we have a battery mount behind the machine, the pressure washer, with all wiring. We have a Noco Gen, this is a Gen 10, it's a 5, Gen 5. We have 2 ports on that one. It works perfectly. Every time we drive the truck, it charges because we have a plug on the side here. So it's perfect. We drive at least anywhere from 10 minutes to 45 minutes to an hour from job to job, and our battery, it's always charged. So this is the wiring for our hose reels. I have a 40 amp on them. We can always turn it on and off. We have spouts here as well. So we do have the transfer pump that we can get water out of the tank. We can get SH out of the tank. But pumps break. What if I'm in a job and the pump is it's broken and I need to get SH out? So I have an emergency spout here that we use the gravity out of the 50-gallon SH tank. I can just open the spout and I can get SH. Same thing with water. If I need water, I have water. If I need to drain the tank, same thing. It's right here. It's nice and easy, accessible. And last but not least, we have a hose reels. Those are Kings. They're stainless steel manifold. They're electric. They're 12 inches. We use about 200 feet of hose. Anything beyond that, you start having problems with downstreaming flow, and I don't want to get into it. 200 feet is plenty. If I need any extra in any job, obviously we have extra hoses that we can plug and just continue the job, but 200 feet of hose has served us perfectly. On the other hand, for the soft wash system, I have 250 feet of hose. That's great to get on roofs. I mean, sometimes we have long driveways, and some customers do not want us to drive on their driveway, and I understand that. So we park on curbside. We have enough hose to get up on the roof, to get back on pool decks. We can soft wash it and get it done. And here, unfortunately, this is manual. It's one of those back-breaking ones, but hey, it works. It's 100 feet of 5/8 Flexzilla hose. We use it for fitting. We use a quick connect. To make it easy, we just plug the quick connect to the homeowner's faucet and then connect it. It's nice and easy. We don't have to keep turning the hose or anything like that. And I have a 1-inch Hudson valve in a 100-gallon water tank, and that works perfect for us. It's always filled. We are never starving the machine with water. By the way, talking about starving, I didn't point that. We have a 1-inch line on that machine, so it works beautifully. And this setup, it's great for us if we're in a situation where it's a small job, or we have several jobs. We drop off the trailer on one corner, we go get the other job done, and we've been fortunate enough to do anywhere from 4, 10, a couple of these 12 jobs a day. When we do commercial, we Obviously, we did 18 jobs a day, and it's all in the equipment. It's all in how you set it up. We don't measure expenses and efforts to make sure our equipment it's up to par and it's ready to tackle any job that we have in front of us in a timely manner and professionally. And I think I achieved that with this trailer, with this skid in the truck. And again, stay tuned. You're gonna see the changes that we made on that trailer. You're gonna be wowed. So thank you so much for your time. And if you can, like and subscribe on YouTube channel. You're watching it right now. Check us on Facebook. Check us on Nextdoor. Our website, it's waterbrothersllc.com. If you want to call us, 484-469-7280. You have a great day and stay tuned.